again. No wahala, no wahala. Hey. Enjoy your life, no drama. Hey. Money go come, we go jolly. Hey. No wahala, no wahala. Hey. No wahala, no wahala. Hey. Enjoy your life, no drama. Hey. Money go come.
Hey guys, happy summertime. I'm sure most of you out there, you might be looking for something that is lightweight, something that you can kind of put on, take off, because it's hot, especially for those of you guys out here in the West Coast or in Florida, Texas. It's hot, and so I wanted something that I can still protect my hair, but still create some really cute styles that are summer friendly. So I picked up this gorgeous natural 3C4A drawstring half wig from HerGivenHair. This is a 3-in-1 unit, so you're going to be able to get away with wearing 3 different looks. You can wear it in a ponytail because it does offer that drawstring, as well as a side part, or you can blend your hair in with it. I decided that I wanted to do all 3 looks, so definitely find the look that suits you best. You can wear this with no leave out. However, I'm going to show you guys 3 simple looks with this one. I'm going to start out with my twisted protective style look. I went ahead and got the unit on, and I'm just going to tighten it with that provided drawstring on the back. That's really going to help keep this wig nice and secure. In my last half wig video, a lot of you guys were really looking for a half wig that comes with a drawstring, so I do love the fact that they provided one with their half wig. I went ahead and I got the unit on, and now I'm just going to go through the hair and loosen up those curls a little bit.
Money go come, we go jolly. No wahala, no wahala. Wake up early, thank Baba God. Oh. No stress for my head, I dey ball. Oh. Life no easy, but I dey smile. You. Every hustle go pay, just give 'em time. You.
I just love how natural these curls look. For all of my type 3 and 4 girlies, you're not going to have any issues with blending your hair in with this one. But like I mentioned before, my first style, I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I do for protective styling that is minimal effort. I just have my hair in about 5 twists, 2 on each side and 1 kind of going in the back. I use that back twist to anchor around the weft area so that you can't really see it, and I just have the 2 twists on each side in the front, just giving like a real simple natural look for those of you guys who want something that is really cute but minimal effort. But I'm going to show you guys what I do to blend in my hair. I'm just going to use a little bit of some serum, or you can use oil. I just use what I had on hand, and I'm just going to go ahead and remove those twists.
Life no easy, but I dey smile. You. Every hustle go pay, just give 'em time. You. If you no be money talk, no call me. If you no be love and peace, no worry. We dey shine like sun, no darling. Oh yeah, make we dance, no for me. No wahala, no wahala. Hey. Enjoy your life, no drama. Hey. Money go come, we go jolly. Hey. No wahala, no wahala. Hey. No wahala, no wahala. Hey. Enjoy your life, no drama. Hey. Money go come, we go jolly. Hey. No wahala, no wahala. Them talk say I no go make 'em. Lie. Now then they holla for my jam. Everywhere I go, then they dance. Afrobeat they bust their brain, no chance. If you no be money talk, no call me. If you no be love and peace, no worry. We dey shine like sun, no darling. Oh yeah, make we dance, no for me.
So now that my twists are removed, I do feel like it's very important that you cover up that weft if you are planning to do a blend-in style. I just went ahead and blended in my hair with the rest of the wig, and now I'm just going through the wig, just getting as much volume as I can. This unit is already very full and very thick, so you really don't have to do much manipulating. However, what I'm doing is just blending in my hair so that it looks like one piece instead of 2 separate pieces, if I'm making any sense. So I'm just going in and further removing those twists just to kind of get those curls to match, as well as softening up the original curls just so that we have a decent match. And this is what I came up with. What do you guys think? Is this giving my hair, or is it giving wig with leave out? Leave your comments down below. But yeah, this is how it's it's looking. And my wig is in the 20-inch, and this is where it falls on me. Now, my hair is definitely a bit longer than the unit. However, with shrinkage, it works perfectly with this one. I love how full and natural this unit looks. It's giving fro, it's giving curls, it's giving everything that I wanted to give. But for my next style, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you that you can definitely wear this in a side part. I'm pretty much just doing a toss over just to eliminate any unnecessary frizzing. Y'all can see this unit again is giving natural. It has my edges out, my hair that's falling in my face, and you can still get away with a part or just a toss over look just to give you different styles. This unit is extremely versatile. Leave a comment down below. Are you a middle part girly or a side part girly? Let me know. Now for my final look, I wanted to show you guys that you can wear this as a ponytail. Now I do recommend, if you do plan on wearing this as a ponytail, you don't have to have the unit blended in. You can just have the wig around your base and then wrap the drawstring around your ponytail. However, my hair is in braids, so this is the best that I could do, but you can definitely wear this either like this in a ponytail or with the unit wrapped around your ponytail to create a base. But as you guys can see, I just put the hair in a scrunchie to kind of give the illusion of a puff or a ponytail, and this is what we're working with, y'all. Again, my hair is in braids inside this wig, so it's not a very flat base, but I still think that the unit is very, very cute. Again, y'all, this unit does come from HerGivenHair. This unit is available in several different hair textures as well as hair length. My unit is in the 3C for a hair texture and in 20 inches. So if your hair is a lot tighter or looser, you are sure enough to find a style to match your hair type. So definitely check out their website, y'all. Again, my unit is in the 20-inch and the natural color. Let me know what you guys think of this one, and I'll catch you later. Bye, guys.
No stress for my head, I dey ball. Life no easy, but I dey smile you.